If you want to underline words or a sentence, there's two ways that we can do it. The first way is if you are able to click on the sentence. So this sentence, I'm able to click on it, and I'm able to highlight the words. So what you're going to want to do is you want to highlight the words that you want underlined. So I'm going to underline this whole sentence, the ball is big. So to do that, I'm going to click and hold the click down, and I'm going to highlight all the words. After all the words are highlighted, I'm going to go up to this button right here. It's a U with a line under it, and I'm going to click it, and that is going to underline all the words that were selected. However, sometimes you're not able to click on the words. So this one we were able to click, and you can see the cursor in there showing that we can edit it. If you can't do that, then we need to insert a line underneath it. So if you can't click on it and highlight, what you're going to do is you're going to go up to this button right here which says line. I'm going to click on it, and now you can see that my cursor turned into a cross, so I'm going to click and hold it down, and I'm going to make my line as big as I want it. And now I made a line. If you want to change the color of your line, you go up to line color, and our directions want us to put an orange line underneath the words. So I'm going to change my line to orange, and now it is an orange line. I can make my line thicker by changing the line weight. Again, the bigger the number, the thicker the line. So I'm going to go right in the middle, and I'm going to make it 4 point. So now my line is thicker, and you can move your line wherever you want it. That's how you make a line.